Hey there and welcome to Beautiful You TV. Today we're going to be doing this look, and I just got a request that someone wanted kind of a complicated look. This is not that complicated, it doesn't take a lot of time, but at least this is not an everyday look, at least not here in Europe. So if you want to find out how to do that, please follow me. So let's begin. I already have a tape here so I can have the right angle and the right shape, and so that the corner is sharp. So what I need now is Max Brush 209, and this is kind of like a liner thing. They call it here in my country the fat pencil. I mean, I don't know why they do that, but this or another. What I'm going to do is I'm going to basically do the same thing we're doing with the liner. I hope you can see well. It's not that convenient, you know. I'm making it more fat here, so then the job is done much faster and you get really like nice black eye, nicely covered. And I'm sorry if I'm with my mouth open. It's just, I don't know why. For me it's like a must. Funny, huh? I remember when I was a little girl, I always used to show my tongue, and my mom was always asking me like, why do you do that? And I said, you know, and I was doing that while painting, and I was saying, you know, then the painting comes out better. It really did. So, I'm taking my 206 by the makeup store, and I'm taking Pollution by the makeup store, and I'm just applying it on the top. The reason I do that is that if I don't, then it's going to leave stains somewhere here, so I do that. Now I need to sit like and see. So basically we're working with black color. So it looks like that. Now I'm taking my 217 and I'm taking Cranberry by MAC. Is it Cranberry? Yes, it is. And I'm applying here. But not crossing the crease. So I start with like a little bit of color, and then I go up. And here I go above the crease. So let me check. Now I'm taking my 219 by MAC, and I'm taking the makeup store's color, Golden, which is really great. I absolutely adore it. And I apply it into the inner corner of my eye and going up. So it's basically going to be my highlight as well. Yeah, and the reason why I'm doing this also is that I was actually asked to. So, so here you are. Some people wanted a little bit complicated things here. So that's not a problem. It's just, my opinion is that it's better, like, well, it's not better. I mean, well, people wanted me to do something more complicated. I prefer something more simple because you don't wear complicated things every day, but not in the East. So, babies, here you are. So, there has to be like a lot of color here. And I'm using again Cranberry. I guess this is done here. Now I'm taking my blacks. Again, liners, and now I'm going here to create the same shape. So, so far so good. Now I'm going to take 106 again and apply pollution on top. Now I go a little bit up where there is no pencil. I don't know why they call it pencil, so sorry. I mean, I cannot answer that question. I take 217 with a Cranberry and I start smudging and blending and doing all those stuff. So after smudging, see? Okay, now I'm going to take this out. Ring. You see? Oh, I love this. And now I'm going to apply the eyeliner to the lower part. It's done really easy. Basically, you start like from here. Sorry. And you go here. Like this. And here comes the most interesting part. You like go to the end and once this is done, you are doing this lower part. And you see here? So you go like that. Like this. You leave the sharp edge, and then from here you pull it back. I am going to take my beautiful Max palette and I'm going to take this white color. I'm going to take my 104 brush by Cakes. I'm going to apply that white color here. Basically I need something with an edge. I'm like pulling the white color from here to there. So now I'm going to apply false eyelashes. I'm going to apply the foundation and I'm going to go back to show you what's the final look. So I am back and here's the final look. So as my blush I used Desert Rose by MAC. I also used Emote Matte to show my cheekbones. As my lipstick I'm using tinted lip conditioner from Hello Kitty collection and it's called Pink Fish. This way or another, I hope you like the tutorial. I really try to do something which you requested. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I wish you all the best, and if you have any questions, comments or whatsoever, please contact me. Love and bye bye.